What is going on YouTube? So I just spent around 3 to 4 hours searching for a working method on how to get free Nintendo Switch online, and this is working in 2024. This is going to give you a eShop code, guys, that you can redeem, and it's going to credit you a 12-month Nintendo Switch online subscription for completely free. So just follow the instructions that I'm going to show you. This is going to save you a bunch of time and of course a bunch of money. So let's get into the tutorial. Okay guys, so let's get into a really quick tutorial showing you how to get Nintendo Switch online for completely free. So use your mobile phone. So it's important, pick up your mobile, go to your internet browser and follow along, guys. You've got to go to this website, www.wavycoupons.com. So just head on over to Wavy Coupons, guys. Now, this website can save you so much money. So I highly recommend you literally just browse through this website and see what things you can get, because they have like Nintendo Switch games on here as well. But I'm going to show you how to get any Nintendo Switch game for free, but also Nintendo sorry guys, got a bit of a cough, but also Nintendo Switch online. So you need to look for this Nintendo gift cards and codes page. You can scroll down and basically look for it that way, or you can go to the Get Wavy and Save search below. So you can click in this search bar here and type in Nintendo, and you'll basically need to look for this web page here, guys. It's quite easy to find, but yeah, just go to this web page. Now, as I mentioned, you can get eShop codes, free games, but yeah, in this video, we're looking at the free 12-month Switch Online membership. So this is going to give you a subscription to Nintendo Switch Online for completely free for 12 months. And this is going to be a simple coupon code, guys, or an eShop code. And you can see you need to unlock your personal code. Of course, a 12-month Switch Online membership is pretty expensive. So you can imagine people try and steal all of the codes off Wavy Coupons. So you need to unlock your personal code, and you can see these are limited. So I'm not going to run through the entire process because I've already got Switch Online and I don't want to waste these codes. So let me just back out of here. Let's do that. Okay, but anyway, once that gets to 100%, you're going to see a new screen, and it's going to tell you how to unlock your Switch Online code. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes. You need to verify yourself as a real person, and once you've done that, guys, your code will be fully revealed. So yeah, this will basically fully reveal itself, and you can then go ahead, redeem this in the eShop, and it's going to give you a free 12-month membership on your account. Super easy. Head on over to wavycoupons.com. Any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Smash the like button if I helped you get your free Nintendo Switch Online membership. And this works in 2024, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Enjoy. Peace out.